Morning, greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's here. Welcome to a new video. I'm on the can't even talk anymore, but check it out. My Monstera has a new leaf coming out, so I'm super excited. Also, I'm here with little Elizo. Hi, Elizo. Say hi. Hi. So here are my Tiffany's candlestick holders. I'm very excited over them because I have a set of 5 now. So I have 2 right there. I have another one over there. And then I have my one odd man out Tiffany's candlestick holder because it's the only one that doesn't match. And I'm also like practicing my using my new what are these called again? Placemats. And also my new egg plates. These are super duper cute for Easter. So I'm just trying them out. I feel like it's a little bit too early to have them out for Easter, but I think I'm gonna set up the table and take some photos already so that I have them ready for Easter, or maybe I can do like a tablescape video for when Easter comes out. But I've just been playing around with some of this stuff to see what I can come up with. But I am really obsessed with these table mats. They are so good. I love the color and I just love the style of them, and I feel like they look really Anthropology, but like at a fraction of the cost. Each of these were 99 cents. Alright, I'm having some breakfast pasta because we're trying to clear out the fridge of all the old leftovers. So bon appetit. I'm loving this guy here, but I feel like it might be a little too much sun for it. So I'm actually thinking of moving or switching it out with this guy over here. Now this guy just has like a couple little air plants inside. I think it'd be super fun. Oh, that's pretty cute. It's a little bit more of like a fall vibe, but I feel like it's really cool. Okay, so I'm watering some plants today. I got a couple of my air plants in here, and I just sprayed them down really well. I'm just letting them dry off a little bit before I put them back. And then I think I'm gonna start watering the rest of my little plant babies. Like these guys. I have my ferns over there. These bigger guys in the pots as well. And then I'm gonna tackle my table. I still haven't done it, but I definitely want to today. I'm just trying to clean. I have like a ton of stuff everywhere. Mom's emergency food. I was just fixing up that plant right there. I was cutting off some of the dead leaves. Probably gonna take it outside in a little bit to water it, but my gardener's out there right now working, so I'm gonna wait for him to finish up. And I'm gonna water that outside. I think hose it, get him a nice hose down so that I can clean off the leaves as well. And I think I actually want to move this like where it is. So right now I actually have it like right there. And I actually want to put it up there in that corner of the stairs. I think it'd be really cute. I get a question about about this all the time, about where I keep all of my like random dishes, because I have my cupboard over there where I have all my thrifted white dishes that I got. But this is where I keep everything that's pretty like colored or patterned. I keep them all in here. And I try not to surpass this cupboard. So pretty much all of my other dishes that I use will just fit inside here. And this is in the dining room under here. And this is the only like set where I have my plates in. So it works pretty well. Now I'm working on a table setting for this dining table. I don't exactly know what I want to do. I just know that I think I want to use the yellow placemats that I got, and I want to do something with blue. I don't think I can use these because I don't have enough plates. So I'm thinking something like this, but I think this is kind of what I'm gonna go with. I'm trying to go for like an Anthropology-esque feel, and I think this looks pretty Anthropology, right? What do you guys think? I just finished my table. I don't want to show it to you guys yet because it's gonna be a dedicated video, but I'm gonna show you guys Mom over here because Mom is cooking up a storm. What are you cooking? Ooh, that's mine and Kate's favorite. Yeah. Yum. You're over here peeling the potatoes. I don't know how you do that because I always think I'm gonna cut my finger off. You don't use a potato peeler, Mom. You're so crazy. Ah! Even the camera thinks you're crazy. Alright, you guys, we're taking a little break from working inside the house. We're gonna head over to the post office really quick and drop some stuff off for my parents. And then we're gonna come back and work on cleaning up. The table came out really, really nice. I really like it. Mom loves it, which is always a plus because Mom is a very hard woman to please. Sometimes she doesn't like things and she's just gonna be like, I don't like that, da 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 da. But this time she was like, I love it. It's really great. So I'm very excited. And then Daddy came home and didn't even notice. But anyway, let's go to the post office and then I'll see you guys back at the house. Ooh, Mom made chicken wings and some delicious clam chowder. Ooh, so good. Okay, so right now I just finished dyeing Dad's hair and now I'm going to mix up Mom's hair solution. So this is the brand I use. It's from Sally's, one and only argan oil hair color. It works really well. It doesn't dry out their hair or anything, and I think it works really, really well. Mom's color is 3N, which is, I think it's like a medium, it's dark natural brown. That's what the color is. And then on Dad I use 2N, which is soft black. But yeah, for people that are asking, you guys always ask what Mom's hair color is. It's this. And then the ends kind of just like fade out a little bit to a lighter brown over time, and that kind of gives it like a natural ombre / highlight. So I only like to do just the roots. Alright guys, I think I'm going to end the video here. I just finished Mom's hair and I'm going to start editing these videos for tomorrow. But thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today. It was a blast as per usual. By the time this video goes up, that table video should be up too. So if you guys want to check that out, I'm going to have it linked down below or in the description box. It should be either the day before this when this goes up or the same day in the morning. And I'll just see. But yeah, it's super duper cute. I think it turned out so fun and so well. So I'm like, or so good. Turned out so good. I can't even talk anymore. But yeah, we'll see you guys all in the next video. Don't forget to check out tomorrow's new video bright and early at 7 a.m. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all later. Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. Actually, this is going to be the second day of this vlog. So I'm here with Elizo. We're in my room. He's actually watching some old Legoland videos that I did with him in it, and he is enjoying them immensely. But I'm waiting for premiering a video today, which I'm very excited about. It's a thrifted home decor video. So if you guys haven't seen that already, go check it out. I'm gonna have it linked in the video. Right, Elizo? Tell them, go watch it.
Go watch it.
Yeah. But that's what we're doing right now. We're just waiting for the premiere to start. So I'm currently in the kitchen. I actually forgot that I had this really cool rabbit like container thing. I accidentally broke one of the mushrooms and I was trying to wash it. But that's no biggie. I'm just going to glue them back on. It's going to be perfect. Definitely going to use them for my spring / Easter decor because, hello, it's a bunny. I know I have a bunny like picture somewhere as well, and they're both, and this is anthropology and so is the picture. But take a look at this. Mom's gonna make something with some crab or something like that, and she's also getting this ready to marinate. So yay for food. But I'm gonna clean these up. I'm gonna try and glue this back on, and then we're gonna do some stuff around the house right now, which should be pretty fun. Alright, I got my glue on there. I'm holding this on. It's supposed to dry really quickly, but I feel like it's drying really slowly. But we'll see. I don't know. I'm kind of scared to take my hand off because I don't want it to fall off. But hopefully this works out. I did it! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I don't even know why. Like, it probably would have been okay without it, but you know what? We did it. We glued it down. This is actually the back, so no one's ever really going to look at it. But I also just noticed that the butterfly wing was broken. I probably also broke that, but I have no clue where the wing is. I've had this thing for a hot second, and I had it in storage, took it out, and here we are. But yeah, anyway, on to other things. Next, I have this thrifted Opal House. It's a scent diffuser. I love these things. I'm actually going to open this up and put it in the downstairs bathroom so it can smell delicious and delectable. I wanted to share with you guys what Mom was making right now. So she just cut up a bunch of potatoes, celery, carrots, and then this is like an old pot roast that was in the freezer. Well, not like an old, it was in the freezer.
It's roasted.
And she cut it up, and she's going to make a delicious minestrone. So I'm really excited. This is one of my favorite things, and it's super duper easy. So after she put in all the ingredients, there's really no recipe. Just put salt and pepper in there. And then what are you gonna put, Mom? What kind of do you put water or broth? What do you do? She puts chicken broth in here for the minestrone. And this is the secret ingredient. The recipe secret's onion mushroom from Lipton. Yeah. Then you just put that in there? Yeah. And it makes it yummy in your tummy? Let's watch Mom cook. A lot of you guys were asking about more cooking, so here we go. No recipe cooking with Mom.
Yes, no recipe.
She literally just throws whatever she has inside of here.
Yep.
She's also gonna make some. Are those lobsters or what is that? Like giant crab? Giant crab legs.
Yeah.
She's just gonna throw those in the oven, and then she's gonna make like just like a.
Put some. Maybe I'll boil it and put some.
Boil it. Salt.
Seasoning.
Ooh. And then you just put a box of that mushroom stuff. This is literally always sold out. Yeah. How many boxes of this do you have now? A lot?
I only have one more left.
Oh! You should always buy all of them.
I can't find them. We don't have any more.
We should go to Albertsons. Remember we found them at Albertsons? Even though it's more expensive at Albertsons.
More, yeah.
It's cheaper if you buy it at like Walmart. And that's it, right? Yeah. And you just mix it up. So easy, breezy, beautiful. Cover minestrone. Yummy. And this is so good if you just like put like a little rice too, if you want some rice, and it's so yummy. Or just eat it like that by itself. So good. Look, what is that? Okay. Let's see what else we can find today in the store. Our goal is to serve even more people in our community. So when you are cleaning out that